What's up, YouTube? Enigma Garage is back, and I have a little surprise. Sorry I've been gone for a month. A lot of stuff is going down, but we have a fixture table finally. Take it out, put it together. Let's light this candle, shall we? All right, what do we have here? We don't need instructions. Oh, looks like legs. I won't bore you guys. I'll get this all out of here in 3, 2, 1. Boom. There she is. Man, I've never had something as nice as this. Okay. Yeah. I need to sell my other table now. I hope this thing's as straight as everybody says it is. I cannot wait to start using it. Packaged extremely well. A lot of oil, no rust I saw on it. Got the middle shelf, which I'll probably put a flat piece on like people do. All the legs. We got a couple hold down fixtures, a lot of end pieces, mini legs, not gonna use those, and of course bolts. So let's get it put together and take a look at her.
Easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
If you probably didn't see, I am drenched in sweat. I'm about to turn on my AC, but yeah. Welding table, if you don't put this upside down at the end, went together pretty smooth. Need to clean it off and start putting some fixtures down. See how it works out. And I need to get that welding table out of here. Got a whole bunch of accessories here. Kind of wish I had more. I'm probably going to buy a accessory pack. One thing that grinds my gears, I mean, even though moving the whole table here, but so I do like how the V-blocks hold up the pipe. Works great. I don't like how you have to use the nuts on these right here. You have to use these for the clamps. Don't like that. I wish the magnets would go into here, then you just pop one on the bottom and move these to pretty much wherever you need. Don't like that. I do like how the slide clamps are, but I'm probably going to buy the accessory packs that have them where they have the clamps that just go into the hole, you tighten it, puts a little bit of pressure, nothing too crazy, don't want to bend the table. But that's already something that's kind of grinding my gears about it, but I cannot wait to start making some jigs, step up my game. I don't have the best straight edge here, but I do have my ruler. There is a slight gap there, but I'm not doing anything more precise than this. It's flat as can be. I'm super happy with it. I guess I might be one of the lucky ones. Some people say it's not level. It's definitely within tolerance. If anything, I could probably put a 10 thou shim under the 3, get out of the way, bolts right here, because there is a slight bow this way. If I put the shims right there, it'll probably be level, and it's probably 5 to 8 thou this way. It's very, very flat. But other than that, I am extremely happy, and I need to move my setup to over here. Okay, so to get rid of this little situation of having to use a bolt and I just wanted to camber clamp like regular tables, I'm going to cut the end of it off here, get some stainless 5/8 right here, and I'll chuck it up to about 1-inch parts, cut it off, weld it solid. It'll give me a nice groove right there if I just butt it up to here, and then I'll have clamps that don't need any of that, any nuts, because forget that. So $20 and some welding. I've got some 309L over there. Yeah, I'm gonna make some better clamps than this because I'm not gonna fight with the nut on the bottom side. Yeah, just gonna make it easy. And I had to turn on both AC units. It's too hot and humid down here in the south. It's, I think, 85 degrees with 80% humidity. There goes the fan. I have it set to 86 degrees right now, and it cut off. So it's almost getting to where it's cooling down in here, which I don't need this thing rusting up. So AC it is. I need to get all these mining rigs put outside to get that concrete poured. But I'm going through a custody issue, and my son's a type 1 diabetic, if anybody doesn't know. And I think between last month and this month, altogether, lawyers' fees, everything is probably about $6,000. So bear with me, trying to make some content. Sold some Bitcoin to buy this table, trying to get you guys some content, but give me a few weeks, custody should be over with, child support should stop, and we'll get back to this. So appreciate all your support. Please like and subscribe. Almost to 1,000 subscribers. Please help me out, and that'll give me some extra income for buying stuff for the channel and giving you guys some content. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.